Today I'm going to use Macrium Reflect FREE Edition to clone my internal hard drive for this HP Mini to this SSD over here that's hooked up by a USB dock. First things first is I'm going to open Macrium Reflect FREE Edition. You'll need an email to sign up and install, or even just to activate it. I use my email and it installed. Here I am. Show you over here. First thing I'll do is I'll click on clone in the very middle. Clone this disk. You can change the disk over here, select a different source, but it's set to the correct one right now. And I want to select a destination. I'm going to click the mouse over here. And this is right. I'm going to go ahead and delete existing partitions. I'm going to select copy selected partitions. I wonder if I can adjust the size. So this SSD is too small compared to this one, 120 versus 250 gigabytes. So I'm going to click on the primary and then click clone properties. And I'm going to try to change the size. I need at least about 19 gigabytes. So I'm going to try to trim it by 19 gigabytes. So let's do minus 20. I'm going to change this instead to 91. So after resizing the primary partition, I was able to select and drag a partition. So using the select button, pressed it, held it, and then dragged it on. And it adds the partition. And I can make this a little bigger. So I'm going to make it I'm gonna just choose maximum size over here. Click OK. And then I'm gonna finish. I use the undo and remove these two partitions, and then I resized this primary partition. But anyways, I'm gonna go click finish. No, I don't need to save the backup. Continue. Need to click this check mark over here. And that's it. Now it's a waiting game. I think it's going to take around maybe 45 minutes. So thanks Macrium for making this tool and letting us use it for free. It's finishing up the clone. So once it's all done, I will turn this computer off. From time to time, it opens the hard drive as it completes the partition. See, it's all done. Let's work on the last thing, and it'll give you this message. Clone completed after 50 minutes. I can close. I'm gonna go shut down. swap the internal hard drive on here with this 120 gigabyte SSD. Hopefully everything goes well.